Dear students and friends, we try to learn how to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Before going to this, we try to recollect how to find determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. See here, there is a matrix A, B, C, D, 2 by 2 matrix. Determinant is denoted as det A equal to AD minus BC. This is the formula to find determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now, how to find det to a 3 by 3 matrix? We try to do with an example. A equal to a 3 by 3 matrix. Find det A. You have to read it as det A or mod A. If it is a capital letter, you have to read det A. If it is small letter, mod A. So, it is not mod A, it is det A. How to find det A? Listen carefully. Hereafter, in many of the problems, we have to find det A. Right. Det A equal to 2 into the first element 2 into remove row and column. Remove row and column of 2. You are left by 4 elements. 3, 2, minus 2, 3. So, det of 2 by 2 matrix. 3, 2, minus 2, 3. For the second number, you have to change its sign. This is plus 1, you have to write minus 1. You have to change the sign of the middle number. If it is plus 1, you have to write minus 1. If it is minus 1, you have to write plus 1. Only for the middle one, you have to change its sign. Now, minus 1 into remove row and column. Row and column of this element. You are left by 4 elements. 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Det of those 4 elements. 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Plus, here whatever be the sign, you have to take the same sign. If it is 0, plus 0. If it is 3, plus 3. Since this is 0, plus 0 into remove this row and column. Row and column. The 4 elements remaining are 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Simplify it. 2 into AD 3 3s are 9 minus BC multiply minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 minus 1 into 3 3 minus multiply these two 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 0 into any number, 0 into any number, this becomes 0. So I am not finding this one because there is a 0. If you multiply this again you get a 0. Simplify. 4 plus 9 13, 13 2s are 26 minus 3 plus 2 5, 5 into minus 1 minus 5, 26 minus 5 21. Therefore det A equal to 21. Now it is better to do one more example for our better understanding. So again one more example. I shall take matrix B, a 3 by 3 matrix, 2 1 minus 2 3 2 4 1 1 2. I want to find det B. Det B equal to 2 into remove this row and column. Remove this element 2 presented in the row and the column. 2 4 1 2. For the middle one, for this number you have to change the sign, the symbol. It is plus 1, so I am taking minus 1. Only for the middle one you have to take the opposite sign. If it is plus 1, you have to take minus 1. Now remove this element row and column located. This element is located in the row, first row, second column. Remove that. You are left by 4 elements. What are those? 3 4 1 2. For the third element, what the sign you are having, you have to take the same sign. Only for the middle one you have to change the sign. For the remaining two, these two elements you have to take their own symbols. 2, so 2. Plus 1, it is minus 1. Minus 2, the same sign, minus 2. Now remove this element located in the row and column. This row and this column. Or left by 4 elements. What are those? 3 2 1 1. So that equal to det B equal to 2 into AD, 2 2s are 4, minus BC, 4 1s are 4, minus 1 into AD 3 2s are 6 minus BC 4 1s are 4 minus 2 into 3 1s are 3 minus 2 1s are 2. 2 into 0 minus 1 into 6 minus 4, that is 2, minus 2 into 3 minus 2, 1. 2 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. So, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. So, debt B, how much? Minus 4. Therefore, debt B equal to minus 4. You need a lot of practice in finding determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, because to proceed further in many of the problems you need to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Hence, try to take your own matrices of 3 by 3 and practice to find debt to get perfection. Right. This is the complete explanation regarding determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Over.